Multiple 911 calls, a swerving SUV with no headlights. Police catch up, and within seconds, it all spirals. A woman is ordered out at gunpoint, screaming, "Shoot me," over and over. She's terrified, defiant, and possibly drunk. But not violent. And yet, from the moment she steps out, the officers prepare for war. She begs, she rants, she breaks down. And what follows, from verbal chaos to physical restraint, raises serious questions. Was this just a traffic stop gone wrong or something deeper? Watch and decide.
Walk backwards toward the sound turning. Turn all the way around.
41.
Face behind me. Keep turning. Stop. 56. Are you ready? I'm going to call her back to me if you want to cuff.
Thank you.
Keep your hands up.
Shoot me?
Nope, I don't.
Do you want to shoot me?
I don't.
You want to shoot
Keep
me?
walking back to the sound of my voice.
Shoot me! Shoot me! You fucking shoot me! I ain't do shit! Shoot me! Shoot me! Fucking shoot me! I didn't
Is there
do
anybody
shit!
else in the car?
I don't got shit!
All right. Is
I
there
don't
anybody
got
else in
shit
the
on
car?
me! I don't have shit on me! What the fuck you want to pull me over for?
All right. Is there anybody else in the car?
No!
No?
What the fuck you want to pull me
Here's
over
fine for
for?
now. We gotta clear the car still.
I didn't do shit! I didn't do shit to no motherfucking body!
Can you stay with her?
Yeah.
Where's
I didn't do shit! I didn't do shit!
You ready?
41, it wasn't allowing me to send via MDC. I attached it to the call.
Perfect. I think it's clear.
10-4.
What's your name?
Just always hassle! I don't have shit on me!
Okay. All right. Stop.
Nothing!
Put your feet back in. Okay.
On the road!
You're driving over the center line there. Somebody called and complained.
I don't know who called and complained
Okay.
because I was driving on the right side of the motherfucking road.
Where are you coming from?
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Okay. Where are you going?
What you mean where I'm going?
Where are you heading to?
I'm going out with some friends.
Okay. Okay.
I ain't do shit
where'd
fucking
you-
wrong.
Yeah. Where'd you come from?
Nothing wrong.
Okay.
What do you want to do? Kill me? What you want to do? Kill me?
Okay.
Kill me? Kill me? I
You
didn't
tried
do
stopping
shit
your
fucking
vehicle.
wrong.
Okay.
I didn't do shit
And then you-
fucking
you were-
wrong.
Flying through the intersection past me.
I stopped.
Okay.
I fucking stopped.
Okay. So
What else?
we're trying to figure out where you're going.
80. You able that?
I don't have nowhere to go. But I'm going
said
to
you were
hang
going
out
out?
with some friends.
Okay.
That's it. What else?
Okay. Where is that?
I don't know. Whatever the address they gave me.
I just
Kill
want to know
me
who you are.
as if I did something
All right.
fucking wrong. And I didn't do shit fucking wrong.
Can you
So
listen
what
to
you
me?
want to do? Kill me?
I don't want to kill you.
Kill me? You fucking kill me? You want to shoot me?
That's your
Yeah,
safe
man.
back of our car.
Hey.
Shoot me.
I just want to know
Can
who
we
you are.
Fucking shoot me.
All right.
I didn't do shit fucking wrong.
All right. I'm gonna see.
We're just trying
Ain't
to.
shit in there.
Hey,
What's your
Go
name?
ahead. Look.
are you injured at all?
No.
Okay. You don't want an ambulance or anything?
No.
Okay.
Have you been drinking or doing any drugs tonight?
No, I just had a shot. I had 2 fucking shots.
Of what?
What you mean?
I'm not sure what you.
Bacardi.
Bacardi. Okay.
That's it.
How long ago was that?
Just 30 minutes ago.
Okay.
You want to calculate that? Like I did something fucking wrong?
Well,
I'm
you're
just
really
asking here,
upset
you
at
know.
us for like no reason.
No,
Like,
because the police always want to shoot us. No,
You watch
y'all want to
TV.
kill us.
come on now.
No,
It ain't
no.
like that at all.
Ain't no fucking no. Y'all want to kill us? Go right ahead. Go right fucking ahead. I didn't do shit fucking wrong.
Well, I mean, the way you're talking at us right now, it seems like you were driving under the influence. That's illegal.
That's about it.
Well,
You want to give me a ticket?
maybe.
So-
Anything else?
No.
Anything else?
If that's the case, you
I
should
didn't
get a
do
ticket.
shit else wrong. If anything,
but I need you to stop.
I didn't do shit else wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's fine. Can you stop?
I didn't
yelling at
do
us?
shit else wrong.
Can you just stop
What
yelling?
else?
That's it. If that's it, that's it, and that's all, and we'll deal with that. But I need you to listen to my partner here, okay? You got to stop yelling at us.
I don't know how. I'll take. I mean, obviously it's my suit, so I'll take that. Right on here. I mean, yeah. Well, I would say
From
Because you guys
Chicago
were-
to here.
Chicago here. Wrong. She was in the dirt over the wrong way.
Okay.
I mean, it would be wrong to say I wasn't.
Where's? Do you have directions up on your phone?
I don't know.
Yes, I do.
You do. Okay.
I'm gonna have a pursuit and use of force. I can take it.
So, what's your name?
Y'all to kill me.
You-
They gonna fucking kill me. They gonna
Hey.
fucking kill me.
Listen to me
They
first.
gonna
Stop.
fucking kill me.
Hey, just breathe, relax.
They gonna fucking kill me.
First of all, what's your
I
name?
didn't do shit.
Okay.
I didn't do shit.
Okay. So,
I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit. They gonna fucking kill me.
they did a high risk stop, and then she turned towards us. Turned around. So,
You should have waited for us. Then.
That's
If
what I
you guys were doing high risk.
oh,
Stop kicking the
okay.
window.
So we
They
can't
gonna fucking
stop.
kill me. I don't wanna fucking die.
No,
Y'all gonna fucking kill me.
You're not
no.
gonna
Y'all gonna fucking kill me.
Nope.
Gonna use my.
No. You're
Hobble?
They gonna fucking
Tara,
kill me.
nobody's here to hurt you.
They gonna fucking kill me.
I need you to
Tara?
listen. Hey, look at me.
Jay.
I don't wanna fucking die.
Should we preview?
Fucking kill me.
Because
Who's in the car?
61.
I'm not finna. No, you're not finna tow me back home. I'm sorry.
East 4th Avenue.
It's but we can't have you driving. What happens if you get into an accident and hurt
I
yourself?
turned the car off. There's stuff in the car.
look at him.
Do shit. No! 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 You're not finna tell me yet. I didn't fucking do shit.
Okay.
No!
All right.
Tatar.
No!
I'll let you know.
I didn't fucking do shit. I didn't do shit fucking wrong. I'm trying to be good now.
Come on, move your
Hey,
No! No!
Might have
No! No! I didn't go nowhere. I'm still right around the corner. You're not finna take me nowhere.
Tatar, you're in Oak Creek.
Get these here, kill me.
Sounds like the caller finds it suspicious more so that they ditched the
I'm
car.
not trying to spit on you, son,
I know
but I
we're
gotta
still
spit.
disabled.
hold on, hold on.
I gotta
spit, and you
spit.
can spit. Just not on me. All right, thank you. Appreciate that.
I'm not trying to spit.
Hey,
Step
Jatara.
back, step back.
You just
I
did-
stay
hold
over there.
You
Okay.
have your feet.
Step back.
Listen.
Step back.
Okay.
Step back. No! Somebody's trying to get at me. Somebody's trying to get at me. Help! Help! Help!
Enough.
Help! Help! Somebody's trying to get at me.
That's enough.
Let me pull her closer. Okay. Okay, Tatar.
Ready for this?
Yes. All right. We're gonna.
She was charged with fleeing, DUI, and assaulting an officer. But what you just watched was more than a crime scene. It was a meltdown in slow motion, a woman unraveling in fear and rage, and officers walking the tightrope between force and excess. But here's the truth. No matter the charges, she is still innocent until proven guilty. So, the real question is, when fear takes the wheel, who's really in control? The driver or the badge? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We need to talk.